As you can see in the left sidebar, we've got quite a few different widgets that are on here by default, like the search bar, recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, meta. And so we're going to go ahead and customize this to put what we want in this sidebar. So back in our dashboard, if we go to appearance, hover over that and click on widgets. So this sidebar is referring to this area, and we can add widgets in other places too. But for now, we're just going to edit this sidebar. And so the search, I actually like that. I mean, they can search for anything they want, so we'll leave that widget right there. But these other ones, we're actually just going to get rid of all of them. So if I just drag it, click and drag to the left, it'll deactivate it by just dragging it off of it. Drag all of those off. And if I scroll down, the ones I want to add are this sparkling, so this is the name of the theme, sparkling popular post widget. So this is something specific to the theme. Click and drag all the way up here. We'll edit that in a minute. And text, let's click and drag this, and this is just standard text essentially. Standard little text box. Okay, so in this text box, I am going to have the title, What is Build Without Code? And so for people wondering what it is, and for what we're going to put in here, we're essentially going to put this text in, this little short 2 sentences, but we want to make some things bold and add a link in here. And we could, again, add the tags if you know the HTML tags, but like we've done before, we can always do this shortcut where we make WordPress create the code or HTML tags, whatever it may be, for us. So we'll just add new post. I'm going to paste it in here, and we want to make this part that says online course. We want to make that a link to course.buildwithoutcode.com, so a place where they can get the course. So we'll make that a link, and we're going to also make it bold so it kind of stands out. So I could just hit bold right there, and then if I click in the text tab, now we have the appropriate tags. As you can see here, some of the tags that were generated for us. So if I just grab this, copy it, and paste it in here, now it's going to have the bold and the link that I want. So let's hit save. And now if we come back to our actual site and hit refresh, you can see here on the left we have the search bar, and then we have this text box that says build without code, and it explains what it is. So I don't need an about page. This is going to be on every page, this sidebar, no matter where I am. If I go into a specific post, it's still there. And if they just click on the online course, then it will take them to a place where they can purchase the course. Now let's edit this last widget here on the left sidebar, which is the popular posts. And currently it shows 6 popular posts, and by default it's set to 5, but I think that's just an issue with the theme. It shows 1 more than it's supposed to, so maybe in a later update they'll fix that. But for now, I only want it to show 5 posts, so I'm just going to put this to 4. Hit save, and since the widget is adding 1, then it should show 5. Yeah, as you can see, it's showing 5. And so here I have the popular posts, and it takes into account things like views and comments. And so my most popular posts are going to show up here with their date and the thumbnail. And for posts that make it into the popular posts widget that don't have a thumbnail or featured image, then it will just show this blank square. So that's the only downside, but other than that, I think it's a really clean, nice looking widget. So now we have this left sidebar how we want it, with the search bar, this about us paragraph with a link to where they can get the course, and then the most popular posts on the website.